Hi there and welcome to Good Enough Scenery, the YouTube channel that shows you how to make wargaming scenery that's good enough for any wargaming board. Across the channel you'll find a wide range of projects showcasing all sorts of different things, whether it's a small piece of scattered terrain that you can make from bits and pieces that you've got lying around the house, through to full-size modular wargaming boards covering a wide range of settings from deserts, mountain, grassy, urban. It's all in there. Now, I genuinely believe that anything that's on the channel is achievable for anyone. Now, it may be that something requires a little bit more patience, maybe you have to buy a tool in order to do it, but I genuinely believe there's no incredible skill set required to do anything that I'm doing in there. And the biggest message from the channel is just get making scenery. Just make some stuff, and if you make a mistake making it, then make that into a feature. It will still be good enough scenery. So dive into the channel. There's all sorts of things in there. Now, whether you're like a newbie to the channel, you've never heard of me before, or whether you've watched loads of videos, I'm always planning new projects. So there's always going to be a new video for you to dive into. So I'm Chris from Good Enough Scenery. Hope you enjoy the channel, and if you've got anything you'd like to see, leave it in the comments below and I'll see if I can make it for you. Catch you for a video soon.